Hey, welcome everyone. Pat Mitchell here with Tricktrades, and tonight I want to talk about something that I know a lot of traders struggle with, especially once they start progressing in their careers. I know a lot on this channel is really geared towards like brand new traders, but this is something that I think some of the novice to intermediate traders can really benefit from. So before I go any further, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, guys, ask, gas, or grass. Ain't nothing free in this world. So payment for this video is a like, share, subscribe, and a comment. Let's get into it. Okay, so am I personally, speaking from personal experience, am I bored as a day trader? Well, short answer, yes. You should be bored. Okay. Long answer, no, of course not. I love what I do. Okay. So to elaborate a little bit on this, it's being bored as a day trader. Day trading generally is kind of boring. Okay, you're sitting at your screens all day. You're by yourself. You're kind of in your own little world. Once it becomes mechanical and you do become consistently profitable, it does get boring. Okay, it's routine. Routine is generally boring, right? Now you could ask anybody with a professional job, let's say, be it doctors, lawyers, tradesmen, teachers, anything like that, where it's a very routine job, a mechanic doing an oil change, for example. Doing those oil changes at the beginning, let's say as an apprentice, you're not bored. It's interesting, it's new, it's exciting, you're always learning something, right? Now, progressing further along in your career path, it will become monotonous. It will become boring. I need to have a serious discussion with you guys because this is one of the number one problems that I see. I see a lot of people. What happens is once they get consistent, they get good, everything kind of starts going along, everything starts coming to plan, people get bored, okay? And then one of the next steps is for a trader is they start seeking out, searching out different methods, trying new things, which is fine. I understand the reasoning and the drive and wanting to try out new things, but you need to really, really be careful, and I'll tell you why. Once you find a consistent strategy, a consistent method to trading, that is, now think about this, folks, this is what you've been working towards from day one. Remember, on day one, as a trader, some of you watching this can probably relate to this, you couldn't wait. It's what you got out of bed for every morning before the market opened. It's something that you ached for, right? So why throw that away? Sorry guys, I know it's loud. Why throw that away once you finally attain that? Once you finally have that in the palm of your hands, why are you throwing that away? Because you're bored. Now, some of you may not even realize that you're doing this, but trust me, I see this. I've seen it hundreds of times at this point, guys, okay? I see it over and over and over again. It's something that I struggled with as well at the beginning. Once I found consistency, I didn't realize that I was bored, and I started seeking out, searching out different strategies, different methods, using different indicators. That's a big one. Using different time frames on charts, trading different vehicles. So like, let's say moving to options from equity, and then from that you go to futures, then you try forex, then you try, guys, the list goes on and on and on. But I'm telling you, please, if there's one piece of advice, if there's one thing that you take away from watching this channel, listen to me in this respect, please. Once you've reached your goal of becoming consistent, even getting small, consistent progress, do not throw that away. You hold on to that for dear life. That is one of the separations between the 90 percenters and the 10 percenters. The 10 percenters will hold on to that for dear life, and they won't let go. So remember, when you are first starting out, if you can think back to wanting it, craving it, aching for it, needing it, that consistency, something you dreamed of, something that you went to sleep at night thinking about, like it hurt so much you wanted it so badly. Once you get it, remember that feeling and don't let go, because I see this over and over and over again. I'll give you a prime example and then we'll wrap this up. Discussing with a member, Grady. He's a long-term member of Tricktrades. He's found consistency. He's doing extremely well. I couldn't be more happy for him. I couldn't be more proud of him. And he's been consistent for a while. And just recently, he started straying a little bit. Not with the strategy, not with trading different products, not anything like that. All he did was simply want to branch out from his go-to, his main stocks that he trades. So he loves trading the SPY, the S&P 500 ETF. He is a badass with that, okay? He started venturing away from that and trying out different things. He wasn't really catching himself that he wasn't doing very well. Okay, he thought it was just part of the process. He's just trying to learn something new. No, it happens that quickly, guys. So I spoke with him. I had a quick conversation with him, set him back on his path, kicking ass again. That's very, very important. That's very key. So remember, guys, if you want to wrap this up, if you want to trade real stocks and become a real trader, come to tricktrades.com. I really hope that this helps you, and I want this to stick with you. This is important. It's very important. If you're bored as a day trader, you should be, okay? Once you've reached a level of consistency, hold on to it. Don't let it go. Or join the 90 percenters and work your 9 to 5 the rest of your life. Okay, guys, thanks a lot. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Pat Mitchell here, signing off. Adios.